doing some technical stuff here. About to install my new SSD game drive here. I got a bunch of games. So now I'm about to use a new one because I only got about 66 gigabytes here. So now I'm adding a new terabyte, but the only issue is freaking PS5 makes it more difficult than the old days. Like, I got like a bunch of games on here, but when I want to switch and like on here, I'm not gonna have any games, but if I want to play any of my other games, when this one's in, I'm gonna have to open it and do the whole thing all over again. So I just feel like it's easier. It used to be easier with the memory card situation. Alright, whatever. Might as well give it a little wipe off here. It's a little dusty. It's a little dusty here now, ain't it? Alright, and there it is. So we're gonna install this one. I have to put it like that. This one's brand new. It's very interesting. When I first got a PS5, I was so confused. I was like I'm just trying to get a memory card. But it's not that confusing now, I understand. So yeah, this drive here is very filled. Boom. It's tough angle here. I'm kind of putting my head in. Yeah, this one's filled. I mean, not all the way, but it's pretty filled. So, yep, putting in a new one, which I'm gonna have to keep switching a lot because yeah, if I get new games, boom, old games, boom. There you go. I haven't done this in my back. I haven't done this in like a couple years. Last time I opened this, definitely years ago. you go. Maybe a little bit tighter here. Boom. Yeah, first time I got one of these was like years ago, probably in like 2021-ish or something, or I don't know, 2000, trying to remember, I don't know, a couple years ago. And yeah, when I first got a PS5, I thought it was gonna be something like the old days with the PS2, where you just have like a little square or something. You know, you put it in, it's easy. I remember I went to Best Buy and I was like, I want a memory card for my PS5. Does that even exist anymore? And then they sent me to this, and I was like, what the heck is that thing? I didn't even say anything about it, and then when I got home, I figured it out, and I was like, what? So yeah, here I am now. Alright, now I'm going to put the old one away. Which has my whole bunch of other games on there. It's going to be interesting to see what my PlayStation thinks is going on, because it's going to be like, wait a second, what happened to all your other games? Who are you? I'm running out of room on my phone too. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to freaking film this right now. I wonder what the PS6 is gonna be like. Peace.